Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Danielle and Cody's back there. We're at a red light right now, otherwise I would not be doing this. But we are on our way to the beach and we are so excited. It's gonna be so much fun and I can't wait to show all of you guys later. Okay, I'm driving. Ah. Hi Cody, where are we? Hey, come here. Where are we? Are we at the beach? We're at the beach and the ocean. We are at Westward Beach in Malibu. And this is Cody's first beach day. One of many for the summer videos. We're doing our video, right Cody? We're with some friends and it's a beautiful day in Southern California. Yeah.
Super. You had that? No. This sounds like fun.
So earlier we saw a whale. I don't know if we're gonna see it again, but that was pretty special.
Just watch Smash.